Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Gather for team collaboration. First, open Gather and log in to your account. After signing in, enter your workspace. This is your virtual office where you and your team can work together online. As you can see, my workspace is now open. On the right side of the screen, you can see the members panel. Here you can check who is currently inside the workspace. At the top, there is a search box. You can use it to quickly find people or different locations inside your workspace. Next, you'll notice the Invite Member button. You can use this option whenever you want to invite new teammates to join your Gather workspace. Now let's look at the bottom of the screen. Here you can see the microphone and camera controls. You can turn your microphone and camera on or off whenever you need during your meetings. You'll also find the Raise Hand button, which is useful when you want to get someone's attention during a discussion. Next to that is the Status button, where you can set an emoji or status to let your teammates know what you're doing. On the right side of the workspace, you can use the Zoom In and Zoom Out buttons to get a better view of your office. At the top right corner, you'll also see the Meeting View button. This gives you a cleaner and more focused view of your virtual workspace whenever you need it. Now, simply move your avatar around the office using your keyboard. You can walk through different rooms, explore the workspace, and see how your virtual office is organized. Gather makes remote teamwork simple by bringing your team together in one shared virtual space. You can invite teammates, see who's online, use voice and video controls, move around the office, and collaborate naturally from anywhere. And that's how you can use Gather for team collaboration. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.